Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you have already read the title, today I will let you see what I have got before the lockdown. So being a shopaholic, I shop every now and then and I don't need any sort of reason to shop, and my parents get annoyed with this fact a lot. Okay, the 4 outfits, like there are 3 tops I guess, and one is the salwar. So 4 of them are from pink color family. Yes, 4 of them are from pink color family and the other one is white. So yeah, I'm not a pink lover, okay, but yeah, unintentionally I picked all of them in the same color. A little bit disclaimer, my favorite color is black. I'm a black baby. So whatever. बहुत गर्मी हो, my god. Okay, I've completely forgot the prices and I don't even know from the exact places where I have picked this up. Like, I have no idea that I'm going to start my YouTube channel during this lockdown. So yeah, otherwise I would have noted it down. So whatever, without any further ado, just let's jump into the video and see whatever I've got before the lockdown. Okay, so the first one is this top. It is like this. It is like nudish pink sort of a color. I don't know how to explain this color, but yes, this is I guess nudish pink color, and it has a bell sleeve. I love this sort of like sleeves where you can get the details like puffy sleeve, bell sleeve, sort of that, and it's very fitted. Okay, so yeah, and it has a zip on the back, but yeah, for some reason I'm unable to pull it up. I don't know what I have done, but yeah, I'm unable to pull it up. So yeah, this is the top. This is the first top. I got it from Shriram Market. I guess it's like the shop was on the ground floor, if I'm not wrong.
I forgot, as I've mentioned, but yes, I have picked it up from Shriram Market only. So yeah, if I have to say about the quality, it's like more like ganji sort of material. I'm not sure about the material, and it's very body hugging. But yeah, the best part of this top is the sleeve. The entire top, you can see it's very plain, but you can, like, if you're going to pair it up with blingy skirts, it is going to look very nice. So yeah, this is the first one.
Highlighted portion of this top is the neck. In the previous one, the bell was the highlighted portion, and in this top, the neck is the highlighted portion. You can see the neck is V. Okay, so it's in a like very deep
V, and on the back you will get also a smaller V sort of a thing, and yeah, it is cold shoulder, as you can see. It is full sleeve as usual. This material is, I guess, synthetic sort of a thing. Yeah, it's synthetic only, and yeah, it's very simple. Like the previous one, it has no detailing, but yeah, the neck and the shoulder, it's the USP of the top, if that makes any sense. So yeah, this was it. You can pair it up with trousers, jeans, skirts and everything, and you'll look very good. This is like rose pink sort of a color, if I'm not wrong, and yeah, I picked it up from Simpart Mall, I guess. I will not be able to tell you guys the shop number or the floors or anything sort of that, but yeah, I picked it up from Simpart Mall. Oh, I forgot to mention the prices. Okay,
the previous one was not more than 350, and this one it is not more than 400. So yeah. अरे इसको ठीक कैसे करते? It is an off-shoulder top, one-sided top. You can say it in a different way. And again, the sleeves are like, you will get 2 layers of sleeves. You can see, and the material, it is like net material. And to be very honest, guys, the quality of this top is not at all good. I just picked it up because of the pattern and everything. Sometimes I don't care about the quality. I just pick up if that looks good. basically. So yeah, this is
that, and I picked it up from again Shriram Market. I guess it's from the ground floor if I'm not wrong. And yeah, it's like the lightest pink color. I cannot remember I own anything of this color. Like I don't go for this sort of light colors. I like bright colors. It costed me around 325 or 350. Yes, 325 to 350 it costed me. And yeah, you can wear it as off shoulder, as one shoulder, and sort of that. And you can pull both the shoulders, and it would look like a normal, like regular top. And yeah, you have to wear something nude under it because it is transparent. So yeah, a quick tip that you have to wear something nude under it.
So yeah, I'm done with 3 of my tops, and as you can see that all of them were from pink color family. Yeah, this is the next one. This is the kurta or kurti, I don't know. So you can see that it has work all over the body, okay, and it is like thread work, something sort of that. And like you can see the gota patti work, it is called gota patti work, I believe. And yeah, it looks very pretty. And yeah, on the sleeves you will also get this sort of gota patti work. And yeah, it
a glossy finish one. And the first top which I got, that was also a nudish pink, but that was in a matte finish.
The back you will not get anything, no work, nothing, very plain. But yeah, you will get latkans, very simple one though. Yeah, इससे कोई ज़रूरत भी नहीं थी, but yeah, it is what it is. So yeah, this one was it. And they
wanted to make it sharara style, but they forgot to give the ghera, because like in the sharara pants and all, you will need that sort of breadth, because without the ghera you will not be able to find any difference between the regular pants and the sharara. So yeah.
It is very plain, it has no work, and as you can see it is quite transparent. You will not be able to wear it with any shorter sort of kurtis. And yeah, on the patti work both in the front and in the back. Next is the dupatta. It's a very like this is the net material, and you will get this gota patti work all over it. And yeah, it is what it is.
So I like my dupattas to be very heavily embroidered, and I like my dupattas to be very big, flowy, and all of that like loud vibes. Yeah, it's very simple, but still I'm liking it. You can wear it with different sort of kurtas also, but yeah, I'm quite liking it. It's very plain, but still it can give you that vibe. How am I looking, guys? Sorry. Last one, my most favorite one, most favorite one.
Okay, so this is the front portion. Okay, it is heavily embroidered, completely thread work, no machine work or something sort of that. So you will get exact same work on the back as well, and the sleeves are of net, sort of like good quality net sort of material, and you will get some this sort of work like flower printed work. And on the sleeve you will get this sort of a border, okay. You will get a belt sort of work below the chest area. You will be able to see this sort of belt work, and after the belt work you can see the kali work. You can see the amount of prettiness. And yeah, on the bottom you will be able to see big kalis, and this is the border, and it is the full length. And whatever I have shown you, it is exactly on the back. You will be able to
see the back is also the same, the belt, and then the kali. It's very pretty, guys. It's very pretty. The moment I saw it, I was like, I didn't have any second thought. I was like that I have to buy it. There cannot be any second option. I have to get it. And this costed me only, I guess, 900, and I was like, grab it, man, grab it. Don't think anything else.
Okay, it's plain, it's pretty simple. Okay, but yes, let's see. bottom part.
So pretty.
I don't know why the camera is not able to pick the beauty of the pants, but yeah, it's very pretty. I don't know.
Yes, I got the dupatta free because I was like, भैया मैंने इतने का सामान ले लिया, मुझे एटलीस्ट दुपट्टा फ्री में दे दो, and he was offering me a very bad quality dupatta and I was like, no, I'm not going to get it. Please give me a good one. And finally he gave me a good one.
Okay, so it is big one. Okay, it is very big one, and you will be able to see flower work, and yeah, you can see the border as well. It is not that much heavy, the kind of dupattas I prefer, but yeah, because of the fact that the kurti is so like detailed and everything. So
yes, I feel, I don't know, I like to do this sort of a thing with my dupattas, and I have a thing with the dupattas, though I don't wear them that much, but yeah, this one is my absolute favorite, and I still didn't get any sort of chance to wear it. Like, I haven't worn any of them. And yeah,
I know that you guys must be wondering because of the fact that the kurta was extremely transparent, that what we can wear under it. So yeah, I bought this inner sort of a thing. Okay, and yeah, it's not the regular one because it's in the midi size, so it's like the full one. Okay, it's
guys, and this costed me around 235. I bought it from like This Is How Market only because I just didn't want to roam around just to get this. So that was it, guys. That was it. All of them, like, I bought from Esplanade. Esplanade is the like my shopping destination. I always try to go there and find something. I'm not a very brand conscious sort of a person. Like, I have to pick something from H&M or Zara only. And if you guys are wondering where I got my top from, so yeah, it's from Shein. Yes, guys, it is from Shein. Like, you can see how pretty is this. But yeah, we cannot find any more things from Shein. Shein was just not an app. It was an emotion to me, and yeah, it will take ages for me to forget the sort of clothes I used to buy from Shein. So yeah, this was it, guys. Now I try to find things, and to be very honest, guys, I'm not a very online sort of a person because I have some drastic experiences from online. So that's why I don't prefer shopping from online much.
This was it. This was the haul. I don't know whether I'm able to pull it off or not, but yeah, you guys have to say, you guys have to give the review that whether you have liked it or not. Please guys, give me the review in the comments that what are the areas where I can improve and all. If you like this video, guys, then do thumbs up, do hit on the like button, and please guys, don't forget to hit on the bell notification also, otherwise you will not be able to get any sort of notification when my videos will be out. So yeah, for that you need to click on the bell notification, and please share my videos as much as you can. Which one is the best, just tell me, guys, and I'm definitely going to put the clips in between just to see how am I looking wearing them. So yes, guys, and see you soon in my next video. Bye, stay safe and stay healthy and be positive, guys. It's very important. See you soon.